Good morning, madam. What would you like to have for breakfast?
I want poori with Aam Ras and dosa with potato masala.
My life was going perfect. Even I got my wife to appreciate me cooking in the kitchen. It all ended with one guy posting a comment. What's so great about him? He is just working from home. He happens to be a chef. Now she's insisting that I take the order first. She wanted Aam Ras, poori, dosa, onion potato curry. My God, now I have to work hard. Aam Ras and poori is a great combination. You can have Aam Ras with dosa, even with chapati, you will enjoy it. For making a perfect poori, with the wheat flour, you can add a little bit of suji. This suji will help in poori puffing up and staying puffed. Add salt, little bit of oil, and make a tight dough, a stiff dough. Take the boiled potatoes. With this mashed potatoes, we are going to make onion potato masala, which is best eaten with dosa, poori, or even with chapati. You can enjoy this. For this curry, you need to add a little extra oil when the oil is nice and hot. Now in this, add mustard seeds, channa dal, urad dal, cashew nut, finely chopped ginger, green chilli, and curry leaf. In this, add turmeric and add lot of onions. Add salt. Let this cook till the onions are nice and soft. Now in this, add some water and bring this to a boil. To make this curry tasty, you can add some green peas, grated carrot, and the mashed potato and mix it. The curry has to be nice and soft. In few seconds, your onion potato masala will be ready. Finish it off with some chopped coriander. Now, look at this masala. Wow. So wonderful. Absolutely marvelous. Now, puris, you have to use hot oil. Put the puris inside. Just keep pushing down and oil up. This is when the puri will kind of become like a balloon. Okay. So, the other side too. And because we added rava, the puri will remain in shape. So make sure you cook well on both sides. You will have beautiful puri like this. Okay, the puris are also ready. And along with this, aloo masala, onion aloo masala, and hot puri. Be careful, baby, don't burn yourself. Look at that. Oh, see, look at it. Ding.
Honey, my dosa please. Fast, make it fast.
The same potato curry you can add to make it masala dosa. There is nothing like hot puris, and wow, along with this onion potato masala, add green peas, cashew and other things. Wow, absolutely heavenly. And even masala dosa, amazing. Dear friends, make it, eat it, and Aam Ras. This is a great combination. I have learned in Gujarat and Maharashtra, they love it. And when you dip the puri in the Aam Ras, summer special puri recipe.